Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Gamma app to create wonderful presentations using AI. So first I will open the Google search bar and I will type Gamma app and I will go to this link and then I will log in into my account using Gmail. So I'll click login and I'm going to continue with Google. So I'll use my Gmail account in order to log in into my Gamma app. So now I will click continue, and then afterwards I'll go and create a new presentation. So with the help of AI. So I'm going to use this for personal use. So which of the following best describes your role? Consultant. And how many? Okay, just me. Create presentation from scratch, yes. Continue, and friends and colleague, and done. Now create with AI. How would you like to get started? So I will click generate. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to give a prompt to AI and AI will automatically create a presentation for me. So look, I'm going to say, please create a presentation, how to earn money on YouTube in 2025. And I will click generate outline. Prompt a number of cards. I have selected 10. You can select as many you want. And then this is the default setting, and the language I have set is the English language. So the outline is being created by AI. So I just need to wait. Everything is okay. Now I need to select the text as well. Okay, now this is going to be a default setting. What about the visual? So let me just select this visual. I like this one. What about the image source? So I have different options like I can select stock photos. I can select this option as well, generate original images and graphics with AI. I think this is best for me. What about the AI image model? I have selected auto select. You can select whatever you want as per your choice. Now the image style is set as illustration. You can set the others as well. So now I'm going to click generate, and after that it is going to take few seconds to automatically create a presentation for me. Look, it is creating a presentation for me. Look. So now my presentation is ready. So if you want, I can change something in my presentation as well. Like for instance, if I want to change the title, I can change it as well. Like for instance, I just want to remove this subtitle. Um, okay, okay, I just want to remove this. I don't want this, so I will just remove it as well. Um, and then I can go down. Let's go, and let me just go down. Okay, if I want to change anything, I can do it as well. If I want to remove anything, I can easily do it. So you can also edit the presentation as per your requirement. Now you can just change the theme as well. Go to edit theme, and if you want the other theme to be selected, you can also do it. Look, I want this one. Let me just select this one. Look, it is also looking nice. Now what I need to do is I can export this presentation in the form of PowerPoint as well. So I will click share, and then I'm going to select export. After that, I will select export to PowerPoint, and this is going to export this presentation to PowerPoint, and this will take few seconds to complete. Now we are done. Click here to download. Look, the presentation is ready. The size is around 5.2 MB. Look, let me just open the presentation in PowerPoint. The presentation is this presentation is created within few seconds. Um, Look, this is all AI generated images, all AI generated. We haven't done anything. We haven't copied any images from anywhere. This is AI generated. Look, I hope you have gone through the process. At the end, I will request you to please subscribe, like, and share.